Corn Rigs Are Bonnie, an early song by Robert Burns, written to an old dance tune called Corn Rigs, appropriately enough. Corn, think grain, don't think about ears of corn, think oats, wheat and rye. And a rig is a ridge, so these would be a grain ridge on a slope, so they would make the ridges, plant the grain in it, and this would improve irrigation, stop all the water from flowing right down to the bottom of the hill. Lammas is August 1st, harvest festival for consecration of the new bread. It was upon a Lammas night when corn rigs are bonnie, beneath the moon's unclouded light. I held a watty Annie. The time flew by with tentless heat, till tween the late and early. With small persuasion she agreed to see me through the barley. Corn rigs and barley rigs, and corn rigs are bonnie. I'll never forget that happy night among the rigs with Annie. The sky was blue, the wind was still, the moon was shining clearly. I set her down with right goodwill among the rigs o' barley. I kent her heart was all my ain, I loved her most sincerely. I kissed her o'er and o'er again among the rigs o' barley. Corn rigs and barley rigs, and corn rigs are bonnie. I'll never forget that happy night among the rigs with Annie. I locked her in my fond embrace, her heart was beating rarely. My blessings on that happy place among the rigs o' barley. But by the moon and stars so bright, that shone that hour so clearly, I shall bless that happy night among the rigs o' barley. Corn rigs and barley rigs, and corn rigs are bonnie. I'll never forget that happy night among the rigs with Annie. Hey, been blithe wi' comrades dear, hey, been merry drinking, hey, been joyful gathering gear, hey, been happy thinking. But all the pleasures that I saw, though 3 times doubled fairly, that happy night was worth them all among the rigs o' barley. Corn rigs and barley rigs, and corn rigs are born. I'll never forget that happy night among the rigs we had. There's a preceding song by Alan Ramsey, which had an 8-line stanza structure. Burns out as a chorus to this, so I've taken a third part from James Oswald's part 9 of his set of the Corn Rigs dance. Burns writes, there must have been an old song under this title. The chorus of it is all that I remember. Oh, corn rigs and rye rigs, oh, corn rigs is bonny. Where'er ye meet a bonny lass, preen up her apron, Johnny. And he writes to George Thompson, his publisher, on April 7th, 1793, my song, Rigs of Barley, does not altogether please me, but if I can mend it and thresh a few loose sentiments out of it. Never got around to it, but I think it's actually a better song without the third verse there. Locked her in my fond embrace and so on. It's kind of at a distance. You've already got the last verse from a distance. Please subscribe to my channel.